Dana, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Justin na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Justin, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Dana na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Yung ba yung pang movie na gano'n? Joke lang.
Mga kapatid, ating pasalubungan ng masigabong palakpakan ang mga bagong kasal.
To my greatest answered prayer. I have been asked many times, what do I like most about you? You know this, it's your heart since day one. A pure, selfless heart. A heart that can fit your family and my family, all your clients, friends, closest relatives, dogs, extraterrestrial creatures, superior being up there, and even lost souls. That's how big your heart is.
Bata pa lang kami, magkakilala na yung parents namin. And then, naging close kami nung time na namatay pa yung lola ko. 9 days noon. So parang dun lahat parang nag-start yung mas closeness namin.
And I think it's also the plan of her lola. So what has happened since day one up until today, and I think up until the rest of our lives, na plano na yan ng lola niya. And here we are on our special day.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa itaas at sa lola. Sa totoo lang, kung hindi dahil sa kanya at sa kanila, wala tayo ngayon dito. At alam naman nating dalawa na ang lahat ng ito ay dahil kay lola. Noon pa man ay kilala na namin kayo. Pero noong December 2013, sinabi ng lola na hindi siya papayag na hindi ikaw ang mapapangasawa ko.
I love you.
Love you.
Baby, sa dami nating pinagdaanan, eto na tayo ngayon. Eto na lahat. Lahat ng taon na binanggit ko, dito din pala tayo babagsak. Totoo pala talaga yung kasabihan na sa simbahan din ang bagsak.
For sure, being together, you will see more of each other, more of the beauty, more of the goodness of each other. What I want you to do is to hold on to it, keep it in your heart, and treasure it.
I will be your lifetime life support. Permanent life support to keep all your systems run. Should heaven allow me, I will give up my own just for you to have an extension.
To this.
Ipapakita ko sa'yo at ipaparamdam sa'yo gaano ako kaswerte na ikaw ang tatawagin kong asawa ko habang buhay. At lagi mong tatandaan, sa hirap at ginhawa, laging ikaw ang pipiliin kong makasama. Salamat baby palagi at mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita. Habang buhay na to, ikaw at ako, I love you baby.